Hi everyone, I am over at TBurgers in Monrovia, California. TBurgers, Monrovia, California. If you like them, or I don't really have to be positive, but just as you must make a review on either Yelp or on Google, you get a free drink. Iced tea. Is it fresh squeezed? No, it's fresh brewed, fresh created iced tea. I'm wearing my boot on my foot. If you see the videos back that way, you'll see I'm wearing a boot for my foot injury. And the problem with that boot, you can't press down. So I'm driving, I can only drive like 20, 30 miles an hour. So I guess no freeway driving, or I have to take the boot off, put my shoe on, take my shoe off, put the boot back on. Hopefully I get this thing off of here before I have to go back to the VA. The rest of the driving, I probably will be okay. But anyway, I'm over here at TBurgers in Monrovia, California. And this is what I got. I got 2 of these. And people might say, why 2? Well, I'm starving. I don't know about Marvin, but I'm starving like somebody. I'm starving like me. And I got 2 of these tacos. These tacos do come with like a pico de gallo kind of a sauce. Also, they had to cut the onions fresh because I don't like cilantro. So they cut the onions fresh for me and cooked them up. Now, these are a little bit smaller than they used to be. They used to be a little bit taller, but you know, with shrinkflation and all that, probably if they made them the same size they did, they'd be a lot more expensive right now. I got 2 for $12, so they're $6 each, just under $12. So each one of these is $6. Is that a good deal? I don't know. What do you think? Is it a good deal? Now, these tortillas, I spoke to the person who delivered them one time. I was here in the store and I was thinking about getting a burrito. The burrito is on one burrito in a large shell, of course. Tortilla, they call it a shell when it's a burrito. But it's kind of weird at this location. If you want to get carne asada, they always charge more because that's steak. But here, the ground beef burrito is more expensive than the steak burrito. Now, maybe it's larger. I don't know. Maybe the burritos like this, like one of those big garbage burritos, or they call them the kitchen sink burritos. And maybe the carne asada is real narrow. I don't know. But I that's kind of weird. You never see that. You can see the onions right there. But I got this, and I'll go ahead and try it. I don't really need to taste it. I've had these before. So I'm going to try it. It's good. This is not a taste test Tuesday. I'm going to put it out today on Saturday because everything's all mixed up in my foot. I could save this video and put it on for, Monday or Tuesday. I'm going to put it on right now. But the tortillas, when I was talking to the tortilla delivery man, these are the street taco size tortilla. And each tortilla, he said, were 4 grams. Now, if that's true, I have a total of 4 of them. So 4 times 4. But I think that's net, not total. I think when I talked about further, I can't remember. I think they're about 6 grams each. 6 grams total. Maybe 2 grams or 4 grams net. But at 6 grams total, this is a 24 gram of carbs meal. When it comes to calories, I'm not really sure. But it has things in it that are not really good for me. It has a little bit of seasoning on, or the meat, of course, is seasoned. But I don't know if it's seasoned with a lot of sodium. I'm not sure. Fat, this is very lean carne asada meat. And I think it's pretty safe. It's safe for me. Is it safe for you? I don't know. Have you ever been here to... I gotta eat it while it's hot. Have you ever been to TBurgers? Here in Monrovia. Let me put this up. So you guys see the restaurant. Ready? There's the menu. Probably too far away to read. Maybe not. Okay, here's the menu. 1 menu board, 2 menu board. Now they have Monrovia burgers. They're called TBurgers, similar to Tops in Pasadena. I think this is actually was owned originally by the people from Tops in Pasadena, and then now it's no longer. But they have a pretty long menu board, and they have these different specials at different times. They got TVs. Let's see, they have 1, 2 TVs. I don't think they put sports on. I've never really seen sports in here. And these really big fans. And this is TBurger. And it's yummy. All the food's yummy. What's good about here is they will modify for you. If you want some lettuce wrap, they'll lettuce wrap for you. You get chicken patty, chicken patties, chicken breast that's on a plate. Cover them up. I modified this one due to taste. It wasn't a health modification, but let's say this had something on there that was high in carbs, or I could ask to not have it. But I like everything on here other than the pico de gallo or whatever. It's not pico de gallo. They have a name for it. If you look at the menu, I can't really see it, but it has a different name. Right, some kind of salsa. Then they give you little cups of green salsa, a little cup of red if you want some salsa on the side. So I always just say, hey, you know what, I didn't touch it. If you want to take those away, so they can do it. But they'll modify your food for you for taste, for health, whatever. I highly recommend TBurgers here in Monrovia, California, on Foothill Boulevard. It's on Foothill Boulevard, not too far from my house. If my foot wasn't messed up, I could even walk here, which I've done a number of times. I was on my big long walk. I would walk here and then I'd get just one taco and I would get some tea that I paid for. So this is free and I got two. So everybody have a great afternoon. This is Saturday. I guess it's a big drawing for the Lotto if you play. I don't know. Take care, everyone.